Good morning, students. In this video we are going to mark our book back exercises. Okay, if you take page number 128 in your science book, come, let's start marking the answers. Okay ma? Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. When diesel is burnt, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. As we studied in conversion of energy, see here, the fuel form of petrol and diesel is burnt and it gives the heat energy. Okay, yes, so write as heat energy. And then running water possesses kinetic energy. The dam water is potential energy and the running water is kinetic energy because the energy is moving there. Okay, the object is moving there. Unit of energy is joule. Very important. Make it a star. Unit of energy is joule. Which one of the following requires wind energy? Which one of the following requires wind energy? Bicycle, photosynthesis, automobiles, parachute. Yes, parachute is required the wind energy. Okay. Cow dung possess dash energy. Cow dung means mattu chanam. Okay. That energy it is used? It is used for the chemical energy. Okay. Yes. And then find out the energy conversion that takes place in the following. Iron box. They have given us chemical energy. No, it is not chemical energy. It is an electric energy or electrical energy. In iron box, the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Okay. Nowadays, we are using the iron box only as an electric iron box. Okay. There is no chemical energy. On old days only, they used as the iron box as the chemical energy because they will put that coal inside. Okay. If it is as electric iron box, you can write it as electric energy converted into heat energy and no need of to strike out this. Okay, just write as chemical itself. In olden days, they use the coal. Okay, so this one is correct only. Okay, no need to strike it out. So iron box, chemical energy, because it is using, we are using the coal in that in our olden days, isn't it? Yes. And then it is converted into heat energy. Then electric iron box, electric energy is converted into heat energy. In electric fan, electric energy is converted into mechanical energy. Then speaker, electric energy is converted into sound energy. Generator, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Because generator is a machine. Okay, it does not work under the electric, but it is a mechanical energy is transferred into electrical energy. Suppose if there is no current, we will use the generators, isn't it? Yes, it gives us electrical energy. Okay ma? Yes. Then find out the form of energy possessed by the following things. A rock on the top of a hill. A rock on the top of a hill. Yes, a rock which is placed on top of a hill. Or mala mela or para enna seyyum? Enna energy la irukuma? As it is running? No, it is just stable. Ange da nikkum. So, it is as potential energy. A rolling ball, kinetic energy. Charcoal, heat energy. As we saw in that iron box, the olden days iron box, isn't it? The heat energy. Waterfalls, kinetic energy because the moving water is kinetic energy. Battery, chemical energy. Okay ma? Yes. Then match the following. Electric bell, sound energy. When we press the electric bell, what energy is produced? Sound energy is produced. Then water in dam, potential energy. Don't get confused, dear children. The moving water, waterfalls is kinetic energy. The water in dam is potential energy. Okay. Then solar heater. Solar heater is from solar energy. Windmill. Windmill, electrical energy. Torchlight, light energy. Okay. And then say true or false. An apple falling from a tree is an example of for kinetic energy. See, the object apple is moving. It's falling from the tree. So it is moving object. So it is a kinetic energy. So it is true. Then electrical energy is used to run electric trains. Electrical energy is used to run electric train. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Then heat energy cannot be produced by friction. Heat energy cannot be produced by friction. Now we did the activity. You remember that one? While rubbing our hands, what happens? Our hand will get the heat energy. The heat is produced by friction, but it is given as cannot be produced by friction. So it is false. We can produce heat energy by friction. Okay, ma? Yes. And then potential energy and heat energy are the two forms of mechanical energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy are the two forms, not the heat energy. So it is false. Then the unit of energy is joule. True. Okay, ma? Yes, the question answers will be in our notebook. Okay. Thank you, children.